really today's all about celebrations.
It's an exciting day for Rehrig Pacific. It's also an exciting day for the city of Buckeye and the state of Arizona as we celebrate Rehrig now here in Arizona.
18 months ago, this team, members of our team stood in this same spot, and it was a dirt field. And it's crazy looking behind us of what all happened in 18 months.
The foundation of this place is our values. When we made the decision to move from LA, that was hard. We'd been there in that one building for 52 years, manufacturing in LA for 111 years. So that was a hard thing to make that decision to move out here. But once that decision was made, we looked for great partners. And we found that in the city of Buckeye.
Rehrig has invested over $80 million to build this high-tech, 264,000 square foot facility that will employ more than 100 workers in advanced manufacturing as they reach full production. And we are thrilled to have Rehrig Pacific as an integral part of our community.
This facility represents a significant investment in the state of Arizona, and we really are proud to have an industry leader like Rehrig Pacific here in Arizona.
We look forward to a long and productive partnership with you as a prominent member in our community, and we hope that you prosper here.